Welcome to Maths is Easy. Hello friends, as there is always a need of help in solving and calculating mathematics question on different levels, I am here for the same. As I have promised to make videos on square and square roots, so I am starting with the same with square and square roots from this video. It takes time to make videos and solve the questions, so I don't think it is possible to upload the whole chapter in 2 or 3 days, but I'll be trying to do the same. So let's check it out how to solve the question number 1 or exercise 3.1. In question number 1 of square and square roots exercise 3.1, Goel Brothers Prakashan, class 8. What we have to do, we have to find out the squares of the given numbers. So how to find out the squares of the given numbers? Square means in terms of maths and in terms of square and square roots, doubling up the number or multiplying the number by itself. So how to find the square of 31? The way to write is 31 square. This is called as square. Means write down the number of 31 twice or multiply the number by itself. So next step would be 31 into 31. So we will multiply 31 into 31. 961 will be our answer. In second part we will do the same process. 49 square means 49 into 49, that is answer would be 2401. Same steps will be followed for third part also. 55 square means 55 into 55, that is 3025. 3025. Same case with the fourth part also. 121, that is 121 square means 121 into 121. What would be our answer after multiplying 121 with 121 itself? Our answer would be 14,641. For fifth part, 355 square is like this. 355 into 355 would be equal to 1,26,025. That is our answer. So these are the solution of question number first till fifth part. So in sixth, seventh and eighth part we have been given the number in decimal form. So steps would be the same, but we should be careful while doing the multiplication. 1.2 into 1.2, that is 12 by 10 into 12 by 10, that is 144 by 100. So after converting into the decimal, we will be left with 1.44. That is our answer. 1.44 is the answer of sixth part. Now in seventh part, same process will be followed. So we can say 0.016 into 0.016, that is 16 by 1000 into 16 by 1000. So our answer would be 16 into 16, that is 256, and 1000 into 1000 we will remain with the 10 lakh. 3 and 3, 6 zeros will be there. So what would be the answer? The answer would be 0.3 times 0 and 256 is our answer. For eighth part, 6.25 square, that is 6.25 into 6.25, that is 625 by 100 into 625 by 100, that is 625 into 625. The answer would be 3,90,625, and in the denominator 10,000. So how to convert into the decimal? 1 2 3 4. So from the right side, decimal will be put after 4 digits, 1 2 3 4. That is our answer. In ninth part, now the number is given into the rational number. So how to solve it? 12 by 25 square, that is 12 by 25 into 12 by 25. 12 12s are 144, and 25 is 625 will be our answer. In 10th part, 19 minus 24 square, that is 19. As we all know, if the negative sign is with the number, that negative sign in the denominator will shift it to the numerator. So minus 24, the number next step, the rational number would become minus 19 by 24 into minus 19 by 24. So minus minus, positive answer will be there. Minus 19 into minus 19, that is 361, and 24 into 24, 576. That is our answer. For 11th part, same process will be followed. Here the negative sign is not in the denominator but in the numerator itself. So no shifting will be taken place. Minus 26 by 15 into minus 26 by 15, that is minus 26 and minus 26 will become positive 676, and 15 into 15 will come up with 225. That is our answer for the 12th part. Here also the negative sign is in the numerator, so no need to shift it. Minus 16 by 17 into minus 16 by 17, that is minus minus will become plus or positive. So 16 into 16 would become 256, and 17 into 17 would become 289. That is our answer. So these are the solutions of question number first of square and square roots exercise 3.1 Goel Brothers Prakashan. If you like my video or if it is somewhere helpful to you, subscribe to my channel or hit the like button. Thank you.